20 minutes a day in your backyard spa can change your life. These days, we're all looking for easy ways to look and feel our best. What if the answer to improved health and wellness were as simple as relaxing in a luxurious hot tub? Here's how just 20 minutes a day in the hot tub can change your life. Get rid of pain that limits happiness. Why let aches and pains stop you from being your best when a quick soak can leave you refreshed and revitalized? A quick soak in the morning can reduce stiffness, while a dip in the evening can relieve a sore, overworked body. Target elevated stress with personalized massage. The modern hot tub is equipped with a variety of jets for a full-body massage. Used regularly, your hot tub can keep elevated stress under control, eliminating tension pain in stress-prone areas like the neck, shoulders, and lower back. Take a soak with family and friends and restore connections. The spa offers a relaxed, comfortable environment that promotes open conversation and laughter. With no distractions from cell phones, computers, and electronic devices, soaking in the spa makes it easy to build strong, healthy relationships. So go ahead, take a soak. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a hot tub, pick up a copy of our free Consumer's Guide to Buying a Hot Tub. Visit our website at www.backyardretreat.ca.